Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you're new around here, my name is Danielle, and today's video is going to feature 11 hot long to short hair transformations. So first up, we have this beautiful bob haircut. Gorgeous hint of auburn brown. Beautiful classic neck length style bob. Look number 2 features a major hair transformation. Looks like she's going to be getting an undercut style with this one. And the stylist gave her a beautiful undercut pixie cut. So here we see another beautiful bob haircut transformation. Stylist is giving her a blowout as well, providing lots of volume to the hair. Absolutely stunning. She ended up getting a beautiful inverted bob style. Then we move on to another major hair change, and it looks like she's also going to be getting a bob haircut. Here we see another stunning bob transformation. Beautiful texture with the curls that the stylist added. Then we see someone going from super long hair to this beautiful bob. Next in our list, we also have someone going from super long hair and getting a beautiful bob haircut. And then we see someone with a pixie haircut. And the stylist took it up a notch with this beautiful undercut. And then we see another classic jaw length style bob. beautiful transformation. And then we have another stunning classic bob haircut transformation. She looks gorgeous. So I don't know about you guys, but I always feel so inspired making these videos. I hope that you enjoyed watching. Please be sure to check out this video if you want to see even more hair inspiration.